Hey there, I'm making this video for you if you have the f350 error and how you can fix the issue with it. So this code usually means that there is an issue with the upper cooling fan circuit or there is an obstruction in the cooling fan. Now to fix this issue, it's super simple. What you're gonna do, you're gonna turn on the GE oven, and when you're gonna turn it on, right there where you're gonna have the fan, you have to take a fork or something and just like get some garbage or some from the fan, just like, just clean it a little bit there. And this is the issue. It means that there is an issue with the upper cooling fan circuit. There is an obstruction in the cooling fan, so you want to check if you can have obstruction in your fan, and that should like fix the issue for you. So yeah, I hope maybe this video was completely useless. It didn't help you at all. I'm sorry. I'm just like really like to make these quick guides. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.